Hello dear students, welcome back to the EVS class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home and are studying well. Yes dear students, in the previous video class, we were discussing about the lesson festivals. Yes, in the last video class, we have solved the warm-up activity. Yes, and we have seen the introduction part of the celebration of festivals, and even we have studied about the festival Diwali. Yes, at the Diwali time, yes, what we will do, that all the things we have discussed in the previous video class. Yes, and whenever there is a Diwali festival is there, we will make a pretty rangoli, and what we will do, we will wear a new dress and we will share the sweets, and we should not put a firecrackers. And what the mother will do, she will lit the earthen lamps here. Yes, what she will lit here, earthen lamps. Earthen lamps, you all know, these are the earthen lamps. She will lit when she will decorate the home with the earthen lamps here whenever there is a Diwali festival is there. These are all the things we have discussed in our previous video class. Dear students, today in this video class, let us see the next festival, that is Eid al-Fitr. Yes, how you have to read it? Eid al-Fitr. So, it is one of the festival. Rahim and his family are celebrating Eid al-Fitr. They went to the mosque in the morning. Mosque is nothing but what it is, dear students? Mosque andre masidi antivi navu. So Rahim, whose family is celebrating this festival? Rahim's family is celebrating which festival? Eid al-Fitr. So where they will go whenever this festival is there? Yes, they will go for a mosque here. Mosque andre masidi. MOSQUE, mosque. In the morning, they wore new clothes. Yes, they wore a new clothes. Hosa battena hakondaru masjidige hogtare. Sabha, Rahim's sister, is eating special sweets. Rahim's friends have come to join the celebration. They hug each other and say Eid Mubarak. Yes, dear students, whenever there is a Eid al-Fitr festival is there, they will wear a new clothes and they will go for a mosque. Why they will go for a mosque here? To pray. Yes, to pray, they will go for a mosque here. So, here Sabah. Who is Sabah here? She is a Rahim's sister and she is eating a very special sweets here. Even Rahim's friends have come to join the celebration. He has called his friends. Even you all will call whenever there is a festival will be there. Even you all will call your friends, your relatives and all. Here also same. Rahim has called his friends. So they have come for the Eid al-Fitr festival celebration. Okay. So how they will celebrate this festival? They will hug each other. Yes. They will hug each other. And what they will do? And say Eid Mubarak. Nothing but they will wish in this manner. How they will wish here, dear students? They will hug each other and they will say Eid Mubarak. In this manner, they will celebrate the Eid al-Fitr festival. Rahim's mother gives their friends a type of a pudding called a Seviyan. So she has done one kind of a very delicious pudding, that is a sweet it is pudding. So for that they will call a Seviyan. So she given for them. Okay, this is sweet she given to the Rahim's friends. That pudding name is a Seviyan. They will prepare whenever there is a Eid al festival will be there. They will prepare this Seviyan and they will give to all the relatives and friends. This is all about the Eid al-Fitr festival. What they will do, dear students, here? They will wear a new clothes. Then they will go to the mosque in the morning. Why they will go to the mosque in the morning? To pray. Okay, to pray near God, they will go to the mosque here. And they will make a special sweet called a Seviyan. Then how they will wish here, whenever there is a Eid al-Fitr festival is there, how they will celebrate, how they will wish each other. How they will wish each other here? Yes, they will wish each other by hugging, and what they will say, Eid Mubarak they will say here. This is all about this festival. Let us see the next festival, that is Christmas. Today is 25th December. It's a Christmas. Yes, dear students, when we are celebrating a Christmas, yes, 25th December. Whenever the date 25th December and the month December comes, then you have to think that it is a Christmas. John and his brother Daryl are excited to open their gift placed around the Christmas tree. Yes, dear students, whenever there is a Christmas festival is there, what they will do? They will decorate the Christmas tree. Can you see this tree? Can you see it? This is a Christmas tree. So they will do the decoration for this Christmas tree, and okay, they will keep many gifts surrounding the Christmas tree here. So here John and his brother Daryl are excited to open their gifts placed around the Christmas tree. See here, John and Daryl, they are very excited. Excited ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. So they decorated the last night. So that when they will decorate this tree, last night only, nothing but night only they will decorate the Christmas tree. They also had special prayers at a church. So dear students, whenever there is a Christmas is there, the people will go to the church and they will pray near a God. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಈದ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಎಸ್, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಆನ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಶ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ವಿಶ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಮೇರಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್. How they will wish, dear students? Merry Christmas. To whom they will wish? Their friends, their relatives. How they will wish? Merry Christmas. Whenever there is a Eid festival is there, how they will wish here? They will wish Eid Mubarak. In this manner, whenever there is a festival is there, the people will wish each other here. So when is a Christmas festival? 25th December. Whenever there is a Christmas festival is there, they will decorate the Christmas tree and they will keep many gifts around the tree. Yes, and they will go to the church to pray and they will wish each other by saying a Merry Christmas. This is all about the Christmas festival. Okay, so here is a one little scientist, Edward H. Johnson, put the very first string of electric Christmas tree lights together in 1882. So he is a Johnson. He is one of the person. What he done? He done string of electric Christmas tree. He done one of the electric Christmas tree. Then he lights together in 1882. Okay, dear students, this is all about the Christmas and Eid al-Fitr we have discussed today about these festival. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson, dear students. So today what we have to do? Dear students, today you have to choose the difficult words from the Eid al-Fitr festival and even from the Christmas festival. Choose the difficult words by yourself and read and write 5 times in your rough book. In the next video class, again I will continue with this lesson. Till that, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.